Warming avocado seed body scrub. You need this scrub to ease muscle pain, leave the skin soft, and also you can use this for massaging. So to make this Thermogenic avocado seed oil, so the first ingredient we are going to be using is avocado seeds. So I'm going to scoop out the avocado seeds, grate it into smaller pieces, sun dry it, blend it into a fine powder. So to make this Thermogenic avocado seeds oil, you can decide to use your black pepper. If you don't have black pepper, you can use ozoza seed. This is ozoza seed, African black pepper. Then another ingredient is clove seed. Then we have another spice. This is alligator pepper. This is another spice, alligator pepper. This is African spice. If you don't have this, you can skip it and use black pepper and clove seed. So I'm going to blend this. So I'm going to blend this into a fine powder. For the oil, you can use shea butter or Vaseline. So I'm going to melt the shea butter. While the shea butter is melting, I'm going to remove it from the hot water. So here is my blended clove and black pepper. I'm going to pour it into the shea butter. So here is my avocado seed powder. And I'm going to mix. You can decide to add more. This is a Thermogenic avocado seed scrub. With this scrub, it will help to remove dead skin cells, leave your skin soft, smoother, moisturize dry skin, and give you a natural glow. This scrub has a warming sensation which will help to relax tired muscle, relieve pain, and it is also great for self-care and body massage. So if you want to apply this, you can apply a small amount of this on your leg, arm, shoulder. Gently massage in a circular motion anywhere you have pain or you want to increase circulation. Just massage this. Make sure that you gently massage this. Leave this on your skin for at least 30 minutes or more, depending. Then you can rinse it out with warm water. When you leave this, you will be feeling a warming sensation on your skin, which will help to ease any pain, improve circulation. This will help to soothe your skin, relax any muscle. It will ease any muscle pain and leave your skin soft. So after about 30 minutes or more, you can rinse this with just water. You will notice a very great change to your skin, and also it will help to relieve any pain, muscle ache. I hope that you try this, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thank you all for watching.